Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger fog lights, updated. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits. Raise the vehicle safely with a jack and support it on stands, then remove the wheel or lower splash shield to access the fog light housing. Follow bulb handling guidelines and test the new lamp before reassembly. Now we will remove and access the fog light assembly with calm, steady steps. After supporting the car, remove the wheel or lower the splash shield to reveal the fog light housing. Unscrew the mounting bolts and carefully slide the housing out enough to reach the bulb connector. Depress the retaining clip, pull the connector straight out, and avoid touching the glass on halogen bulbs to prevent premature failure. With the new bulb ready, handle it by the plastic or metal base only and avoid touching the glass. Seat the bulb into the socket, secure the retaining clip, and reconnect the wiring harness with a firm push. Reinstall the fog light housing, torque the mounting bolts evenly, reinstall the splash shield or wheel, lower the vehicle, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and test the fog lights to confirm correct alignment and operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.